Sum, you ready? Yeah. We're going on our first little play date. Mommy play date group thingy. Play date group thingy. I'm taking them. Whatever. Woo! Mommy play date group. Someone's excited!
Yeah, she's like, let's go!
Low ceilings. Apparently there's 4 floors here. Kid conference room.
Where did I go?
A bunch of costumes that you can put on. Little puppet dolls. Hi, Summer.
Yeah.
How are you? What's going on? Do you want to play with it?
Yeah.
She didn't like Mr. Bear. You're not cool enough. What do you mean I'm not cool enough? And here you got the kitchen. That's a good stove set up right there. There's a little doctor's office here too. Guess this is the post office. And the grocery store. Nice. Oh, all organic I see. Oh, look at that. Organic farm with the chickens, eggs, carrots. We should shop here.
Yeah. Cool. Go to the checkout. Let's go pay for everything. Dada, you have to be the teller.
Just 2? Oh, this is a nice little ice cream.
Yeah.
Doop, doop.
Some apple juice?
Ooh, doop, doop.
Some milk?
Ooh, doop, doop.
Hey, we have to put in our code. Good job. Yay. Say bye. Say bye. Kitchen to cook what we bought? Good job. Good job. Okay, we're home. Let's unpack the groceries. Are we gonna put some craft dinner in the stove? On the stove?
Found this spot on the street. It looked busy, so we're gonna eat here. Sometimes you just gotta go with your spidey senses to pick what to eat. We're walking around. There's a lot of food on this street, and we just saw the ones, you know, 3 ones that were bumping, and we're like, yeah, let's do it. Caitlin picked. I trust her spidey senses. Fresh grilled patties. All right, we're trying out the boom cha on the street here. Don't matter where we are, Caitlin does the herbs now.
Good, right?
So good, so good. This right here is pretty delicious. We also got fresh made banh cuong, because I love that. Comes with the fish sauce with the cha.
Really good.
Yeah?
Super fresh, super hot. Jaloo is really good.
Nice. Try out this banh cuong here, freshly made. Try the jaloo that came with the banh cuong. Oh yeah. What a find, what a find. Everywhere we go. Doesn't even care. That girl actually washed her hands before grabbing Summer, which is awesome. Now she's hanging out over there. No care in the world, being entertained. Alright, after a big play, she had a great nap on the bike. We made it to our second destination, my second interview. Wish me luck. It'll already be over, so, you know.
Girl. Brian's in his interview. I'm hanging out with Dave.
Thank you, bye-bye.
Thank you, bye.
All right, that went pretty good. I got a demo class tomorrow. I gotta nail that, and then I got myself a job. And then Caitlin came in an interview, and they want Caitlin as well too.
She was asking me if I wanted to teach English, and I said, sure. So I have a demo class on Friday? No, Monday. Monday. So if I nail that, I have a job too.
All right, let's hit that traffic again. I just drove straight across this traffic right here. From that yellow building to here, straight. Super cute coffee shop here. I'm about an hour early for my next interview, but I mean, it's too far away to like go home and everything. Caitlin had to jump in a cab to go home because we're expecting some people over tonight. This next interview is for a basketball coaching position. Are you kidding me? That is like my dream. Like, that would be so awesome. All right, let's nail this basketball interview. Thank you. Come on. Guys, I nailed it. Got it. Basketball coaching, little kids in Vietnam? Come on. Okay, now for the tricky part. My phone is at 18%. I have to be able to use Google Maps all the way home. If not, I'm lost in Hanoi. Let's hope everything goes right. Guys, don't worry, I made it home okay. I've been here chilling for a little bit, and now we're gonna get some food. There's little Miss Sum Sum in her helmet. Yeah. Back at this place again. I love me a bowl of pho after a huge day of riding around Hanoi. Whoa, Caitlin got some pho sao, some fried noodles. Looks amazing. All right, as always, this place does not disappoint. If you're gonna get some pho or some fried rice or some fried noodles, hit this up. Wok skills, out of this world. Guys, it's Friday night in Hanoi. Look what's happening in our kitchen. It's a little baking party. Yeah. What is this? Whip it up.
No, don't overwhip it.
I'm messing everything up.
Just kidding.
I'm really excited. Thank you, girls, for baking.
No, but because it's not in a pan, it's in the individual, it's gonna cook way faster.
Yeah, man, good call.
Martha Stewart, that shit, yo.
Beep, 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 beep.
Did you see Martha Stewart and Snoop Dogg are doing a cooking show
Yes,
together?
and I really
I
want
need
to
that
watch
in my life.
The ads for them were like hilarious. I was like, what is going on?
Go for it.
No!
No?
No.
Okay.
She was setting you up. She was setting you up because those
too
things
bad.
burn. So she's like, go for it.
See, that could have been
You want me to do it, babe? You want me to do it? Don't
I mean,
go
you
from
can do
there.
it, Caitlin. I believe in you. Do a slow pull up.
Just so you know, I'm using that audio. Do a slow pull out. You got it. That's mascarpone cheese.
Mascarpone cheese icing.
For you pronunciation freak, mascarpone. Hit one of these up.
Where we don't. Where we bake them earlier and don't put them in the freezer.
The girls aren't really happy with this, apparently. I don't know what they were going for, but it's just some sweet deliciousness, so I like it. True.
Hi, come here. Get in there.